Hi everyone, in this video I will show that how you can download and install Slitterhead game on your PC. Guys, first open up your browser, just search for the Steam website, then simply open it. Then just click on this login option you are seeing on the right hand top. Here simply sign into your account, and if you don't have an account, then just create account on Steam. Guys, this is very simple and easy. After that, just click on the start Steam option you are seeing on the top, and here simply download the Steam and install it onto your PC. And guys, this is also very simple and easy. After that, open up the Steam, then just log into your account. Then just click on the top search box and just type here the Slitterhead. Now this game will appear on the top. So open up this game. Now once you open up this game, here just scroll down, guys, scroll down. You'll see the option of add to cart. So just click on this option of add to cart. Then just click on this option of my cart you are seeing here. Then just click on the continue to payment option, and here simply pay with the PayPal or any other card you have. And guys, once you pay the amount, now game was added to Steam library. Now on the left hand side, just find the game which is the Slitterhead. Just click on that, click on the install. This is how you can download and install this game. If you find this video helpful, so please like it, and bye bye and take care.